Hi everyone and welcome to the personal property tour for 189 Methilhaven Road. A stunning 4-bedroom detached cottage that really needs to be seen to be appreciated, with very spacious interiors and an ideal family home with lots of potential to add value. So as always, if this is the property for you, message me directly, call the team on 01333 421 774 and let's have a look around and see what you think. So heading inside the property, lovely entranceway, new windows and doors as mentioned throughout. Nicely finished, a lovely composite grey. And down to the right hand side, just before we go inside, you've got a driveway and the garage entrance just to the right hand side. And over to the left hand side of the property, you've got access down to the large rear garden at the back there. So we'll jump inside. Absolutely stunning property, greeted by a lovely entranceway, timber features throughout, and a lovely timber entrance door as we come inside. So we'll go inside and head up the stairs, but just before you're greeted by this lovely entrance hallway, lots of space, lots of light running through the property. Absolutely gorgeous timber features throughout, the skirting boards, and a beautiful cornice detail throughout the property that you'll see. Just pause for a minute, take in the space. So as mentioned, 4 bedrooms and plenty of storage throughout the property. We'll head up this lovely timber staircase, really nice feature of the property, and show you the upstairs bedrooms first. So nice roof light there, letting lots of natural light in through the property, as you would expect. And again, high ceilings giving you lots of space. So head into the secondary bedroom upstairs first. And again, that lovely cornice detail running throughout the property. So lots of potential to add value in this property. And I'm sure you'll agree, the nice high ceilings, plenty of space throughout. All the original timber features, just adding to the magic of this property. Just before I pause, storage just off, so crawl space for storage as well, but plenty of space for a tall boy, double bed, and still plenty of floor space. So moving through into the master bedroom, again, gorgeous cornice detail throughout the property. This bedroom is absolutely huge. Large double bed, you've got a tall boy in the corner, additional storage, and a brilliant feature of this lovely area, dressing table, home office, but letting lots of natural light flow into the property. And again, further storage over to the other side. We do have a storage cupboard just off of the bedroom. Now this is a big space and could be repurposed. Just give you a quick glimpse. Walk-in wardrobe, ensuite bathroom, then access up to a crawl attic space in there. Large skylight, again letting lots of natural light in. Now I've been told there is services underneath this floor, so easily could be turned into an ensuite bathroom. So again, plenty of opportunity to add value, and this room also benefits from a crawl space along the wall for additional storage. And again, original timber features throughout the property, just adding to the charm, but plenty of opportunity to add value. And again, coming out to this gorgeous staircase, we'll head back down the stairs. So once we're downstairs, we'll have a look at the other 2 bedrooms, as well as the living room space. And again, I'll just stop for a second. High ceiling lighting, plenty of light and air through the property. Really does feel like a TARDIS from the outside, and you walk in greeted by all this space. So we'll head into the living room first. This is the main living room of the property. Again, cornice detail throughout and a huge amount of space. Massive windows at the front, letting all the natural light flow through the property. So currently a TV on the wall, but plenty of space, media wall, units across the bottom, that lovely light feature above. So a huge living room space, family time, etc. We'll head through to the third bedroom. Again, huge ceilings, huge amounts of space. Lovely little alcove in the corner. It's into a little hanging wardrobe space. But again, lots of room for a double bed. All your chest of drawers, wardrobes, etc. And again, these brand new windows, very energy efficient, keeping the heat in and allowing the light to flow through. So this is the third bedroom. We'll head now, show you some of the storage available. So just off to the bottom of the stairwell here, we've got small utility space, cupboard for hanging, currently a washing machine. Again, another window there, plenty of opportunity for hanging, so we'll just show you in here. And again, really high ceiling, plenty of opportunity to add value. But there is a downstairs WC, so we'll show you that in just a second. And then heading to what could be the fourth bedroom, games room, second family room, however you want to make it. So the back window there looking out onto the huge rear garden space. And you do have fitted wardrobes in here. If it is going to be a bedroom, you've already got the wardrobe space, so you're not losing that on the floor space. And a fitted shelving unit off in the corner there, absolutely brilliant feature. Take that and make it hang wardrobe, and just a glimpse out to the massive rear garden, as you can see there. So plenty of space to make this the ideal family home. And we'll head through to the dining room space. So huge living room as well as the dining room separate as well. But before we do, another added feature, we've got the downstairs WC. So it gives that element of one level living. Large bathroom space, overhead shower. And just to show you, this goes up higher, so you could do a full walking shower if you wanted to. Vanity space there. And again, these lovely timber doors throughout the property. So another storage cupboard, full-size storage cupboard at the bottom of the stairs. Again, jackets, coats, boots, etc. And we'll head through into the dining room space now. So again, really high ceilings, stunning, stunning room. Little fireplace feature over on the wall. Plenty of space for, you know, an extra large dining room table that we've got here. Great entertaining space for hosting family. And although we did have a small utility space at the bottom of the stairs, we can go again, a further utility space. Large American fridge freezer in here at the moment, high ceilings, extra cupboards. So again, potential to add value to this property is huge. Nice shelving space over in the corner for all your wax burners, before we head through this lovely alcove into the new kitchen. So relatively new kitchen, lovely design, all integrated. We've obviously got the fridge freezer through in the utility space, gas hob, overhead extractor, and then views out of the large kitchen window to the garden space, which we will show you in a minute. So again, new back door, keeping all the heat in, and finished in grey composite as the rest of them, which we will show you in a second. So just pause on this dining room area. Again, a great entertaining space just off from the kitchen, and plenty of space, or opportunity, sorry, to add value. So we'll just head outside now, show you the garden space. Property does obviously come with a garage as well, and then we can round off. So moving out to the garden space, as mentioned, massive rear garden on this property. I think this property really is one to be seen. There's lovely fresh windows along the back. So that's the gate going out to the front of the property mentioned earlier in the video. And all of this space along the wall, out to the outbuilding, little shed there, and along to that wall is all yours. Another shed in the corner. Could do with a small revamp, but again, plenty of opportunity to add value. Chuck a fence up at the back there. And then around to the right hand side, you do have access through from the front garage through to the rear. So no need to be getting everything through that small little pen on the other side. You've got access through the garage space, which is full sized, can fit a car. I'll just show you again. plenty of opportunity to add value to this garden space and the property in general. It really is gorgeous and one that needs to be seen to be appreciated. So we'll stop for a minute and we'll round off, discuss the local amenities, etc. And just before I do, that gorgeous back door as per the rest of the property. So that concludes the personal property tour for 189 Methilhaven Road. A stunning 4-bedroom property with potential, lots of potential to add value, and really is one that needs to be seen to be appreciated. Lots of space inside and quite deceptive from the exterior. I'm sure one you will love. So if this is the property for you, message me directly, click the link below or call the team. We look forward to hearing from you. Craig at 5 Properties TV. Take care.